Welcome to Kids Prapancha. Today we are learning 50 yummy fruits. Let's go meet them. Yeah! Apple, apple. Cebu, I am round and smart, like a mini teacher. Pomegranate, pomegranate. Dalimbe, I have so many tiny seeds. Mini dancer inside. Orange, orange. Kittale, I'm juicy. Don't squeeze too much. Pineapple, pineapple. Ananas, my hairstyle is always spiky. No comb needed. Mango, mango. Mau, summer starts only when I come. Guava, Guava. CBNO. Guava crunch sound. Catch, catch. Kids love it. Gooseberry, gooseberry. Nellikai. Taste me if you dare. Banana, banana. Balehannu. Don't slip. Carefully, carefully. Strawberry, strawberry, strawberry. Timmy, red, cute like a baby heart. Jackfruit, jackfruit. Alasina hannu. I am big, sticky and super sweet. Jackpot fruit. Papaya, papaya. Parangi hannu. Papaya inside feels like a soft pillow. Cherry, cherry, cherry. I am tiny, shiny and always look like I am wearing lipstick. Kiwi, kiwi, kiwi. I am for the outside, cool party inside. Coconut, coconut. Tenginakayi. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Coconut knocking your screen. Watermelon, watermelon. Kalangadi. I am big and juicy. Summer best friend. Let's say all 15 fruits together. Apple, pomegranate, orange, pineapple, mango, guava, gooseberry, banana, strawberry, jackfruit, papaya, cherry, kiwi, coconut, watermelon. Wow, great job my little one. See you soon and Kids Prapancha for more fun and learning. Bye bye. Stay sweet like water.